So this is the pozole that I said I was going to make during the meal plan. Yeah, it started cooling down already. Already put my long sleeve shirt back on. Letting this heat up real good, and then I'll make me a bowl of pozole. Good morning. It's about 10:22, and I am headed into town, into Quartzsite. I need creamer. If you don't have coffee creamer for your coffee, your day just doesn't start out right. So I am headed into town to get some creamer and lunch. Yeah, I forgot to take the hamburger meat out for the meatloaf. Take it out of the freezer for the meatloaf. So it's fried chicken day, hopefully, at Coyote Fresh. I've got the best fried chicken. And yeah, it's right when you get it, eat it right then. It's so I usually eat some on the way back to camp. What are you doing, Jamie? So I may do I probably need to get gas, diesel. Sometimes the road is a little bumpy. So I need to get diesel because tomorrow we're going to Parker to Walmart. I'm doing a Walmart pickup. Well, both of us are. Deborah and I both are doing a Walmart pickup. And so you know what that means. We're gonna eat Mexican food. There's a Mexican food place that we eat at there in Parker. And so we're gonna get up pretty early in the morning and go have Mexican food and then a Walmart pickup. And a couple of other errands that we need to take care of. So it's a day in Parker tomorrow. And then Saturday is the QIA and the book sale. And what? And what? Pulling it to the dumpster, so I got to dump my trash. And then we'll be heading out. Okay, that's not too bad. $7 for 7 pieces of chicken, fried chicken. Go to Church's and see what you pay for that. Let's see. Ooh, that's a lot of chicken for $7. Yeah, let's see. We gotta taste it. We gotta taste it. They were low, and I don't think they were gonna fry up anymore. The crunch. These crunch. And you know what else I got, don't you? You know what else I got, don't you? Broccoli salad. $2.82. I don't know about that. That's probably not a really great price for that, but it's so good. One more bite, and then I'll hit the road. That was a fast trip into town and back out. I didn't film any of it because it's still crowded in Quartzsite, and you just gotta be on your toes about driving in that town. It's not normal city and town driving, because here there's so many more people walking, there's people on bikes, on trikes, on motorcycles, long rigs, short rigs, ATVs. I mean, and they're just, it's like constant in front of your face and your eyes, next to you, inside of you, and it's a lot. So you have to really be concentrating on driving through that town. And but anyway, I did go dump my tanks and get water, and got some fried chicken. Yeah. All right, I've already looked at in here. So Mike and Cindy, Deborah's cousin, sent us some goodies from Buc-ee's. So I opened it up, and look, it's upside down. Jana with the heart, and Deborah with the heart. Oh, it's a big box of Buc-ee's.
Say that again.
It's a big box of Buc-ee's. Mmm.
Is that one mine or yours?
This one's mine.
Mmm.
Buc-ee's. Here's yours.
Nice. Thank you.
All right, let's open it up. It's a bunch of Buc-ee's treats. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah.
What'd you get?
Beaver nuggets, dark chocolate.
Oh, dark
Yum.
chocolate. Mmm.
And Buc-ee Overbite milk chocolate caramel. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a big,
Overbite.
big cookie. A quarter pound of goodness. Milk chocolate, my mouth's watering. Milk chocolate caramel. This is a big box of trail mix. Yum. Buc-ee's trail mix.
Sammy says trail mix. I like a trail mix.
And goodness. Oh, beef jerky. Yum. Buc-ee's beef jerky.
Ooh.
Oh, teriyaki. This is amazing. Pork rinds. Yeah. Oh, chili lime.
Oh, that's for you.
Uh-huh. Look at that. That's what I'm going to try first. Goodness. Oh, animal crackers. Animal cookies.
Oh, I love animal
I do
crackers.
too.
Yeah. Takes me back to a good childhood.
Yeah. Oh, look. Oh, how cool. It's a sticker.
Road trip.
Road trip. Goodness. Oh, cotton candy. Yum. And then I'll eat this next. The whole container.
That's it.
And then,
There you
of course,
You finally got your Buc-ee nugget.
my beaver nuggets. Thank you, Mike and Cindy. I love it. All right. Let's see what you got.
Okay. I'm filming you, filming me. Are you filming me, filming you?
Yes. Oh, my goodness. I'm going to eat one of these pork rinds right now. Okay, I got them open. Yum.
Hey, it looks like mine might be the same thing because here's the cotton candy. Woohoo! Beaver Buddies, animal cookies. Woohoo!
Ooh. Chili lime.
You okay over there? What is it?
That's a chili lime. Yeah.
And I've got my own milk chocolate peanut butter overbite. Woohoo! And
Oh, that's what you were talking about,
I know,
isn't it?
Yes. Your praline pecan.
Oh, yum. You were
And
talking
they're-
about those.
Yeah, they got
in
some
your-
sort of coating on them. I just love them. And beaver nugget white fudge.
Oh, yum.
Ooh hoo hoo. Some more beef jerky. Nice.
Steakhouse.
Steakhouse. Made from solid strips of beef. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Lots of goodiness.
Oh, you got-
Original pork rinds.
Oh, yay.
Yours are the, what?
Chili lime.
Chili. What are they?
Chili lime.
Chili lime. And I got the original. And, oops. Oh, I got some cinnamon sweet beaver nuggets. Oh my God. That is so cool. You guys really took some time figuring out what each of us would like.
I know.
That is so cool.
And you know.
And you know.
And you know.
And
Look
you
at
know.
that. It's a big box of beaver stuff.
Okay.
Okay.
The end.
Thank you. We love it. Oh, she forgot the bumper sticker.
I know. Oh. I was getting ready to put everything up. Oh, there goes the trash. I got to get that before it blows in the desert. And my bumper sticker is
Texas.
That's great.
Since you're in New Mexico, you get a Texas bumper sticker. Way to go, Cindy and Mike.
That's awesome.
Where's my bumper sticker?
I don't know. It's in your sack.
Sammy! Sammy! Come on, Sammy. Go. Ooh! Somebody had enough of that.
You scared her, baby boy. You scared her.
Wow, I've never seen that in the desert.
That police car's leaving.
Yeah. Yeah? And then what? Did I say something about it? Did I? I did say something about it? No? Well, what did I say? Huh? What did I say? Oh, is that what happened? That was a big, long story. Did you tell me a story? Yeah. Did you tell me a story? You have another one to tell me? But, yeah, today you were looking at your mom like, Mama. What? Oh. No, I don't. Oh, my goodness. You have the best stories ever.
Is the end?
Is that it? Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing your story with me.